Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let us see question number 12 from 2019. It says, find a unit vector perpendicular to each of the vectors a vector plus b vector and a vector minus b vector. And the values of a vector and b vector are given. So first of all, in the solution, let us find what is our a plus b vector, a vector plus b vector and a vector minus b vector. So a vector plus b vector will be, the sum of these two will be 4 I cap plus 4 j cap, and a vector minus v vector, this will be 2 I cap plus 4 k cap. Okay, so let us name that c vector is equal to a vector plus b vector cross product a vector minus b vector. Why I am doing so? Because I want to find a unit vector perpendicular to these two vectors, a vector plus b vector and a vector minus b vector. And we know that cross product of two vectors is nothing but that vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors. That means a vector plus b vector cross a vector minus b vector is a vector which is perpendicular to both these vectors. So if I take their cross product, then I can name it c vector, and if I can find the unit vector c cap, then my answer is done. So my main motto is to find c cap. So from here we have got a vector plus b vector, a vector minus b vector. So this one I can find from the determinant formula of cross product. This is I cap, j cap, k cap. So this will be 4 4 0, this will be 2 0 4. From here I will get my c vector as, if I write this, manipulate I cap 16 minus 0 minus 16 0 plus k cap 0 minus 8. So I'll get ultimate answer 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 k cap. What is my c vector? We can write here like this also, that c vector with a vector perpendicular to both a vector plus b vector and a vector minus b vector. This is the meaning of cross product. Therefore my question is to find a unit vector perpendicular to these two vectors. So if I have named that c vector is the vector perpendicular to these two, so if I can find a unit vector of this c, my work is done. So this will be nothing but c vector by magnitude of c. So c vector, this is 16 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 8 j cap. So the magnitude of this will be 16 square plus 16 square plus 8 square. So from here this will be 16 I cap plus 16 j cap minus 8 j cap. From here if I take 8 common outside, this will be simply 2 square plus 2 square plus 1. So I will get this as 2 I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap divided by, this will be 3. I have got this as a unit vector perpendicular to these two vectors. Also you can say like this, so you can say here that this is a unit vector perpendicular to a vector plus vector and a vector minus vector. You can also write also c cap will be equal to minus of this, just the negative of this. How? if my c vector, here I have taken my c vector as a vector plus b vector first and a vector minus b vector second. So if I take a vector minus b vector first, then only the sign will be changed. So what I will do, if my c vector is this, so I will get my c cap as a negative of this one. So these are my unit vectors, required unit vectors. Thanks for watching.